Welcome to Prime CAD Solutions. In this video, I am going to explain how to do UCS command and what is the uses of UCS. See this WCS World Coordinate System. It defines the location and view of AutoCAD drawings. WCS is a default permanent plane. It won't change. UCS means User Coordinate System. It's also called a movable coordinate system. In my system, I have a AutoCAD full version, so you can see this WCS wheel. But in LT version, this wheel is not available. LT version means lower version. Most of the office and learning centers having LT version only will be there. So we use this UCS command to rotate the plan and easy to draw our convenient. This is one small toilet plan. In this plan, I cut 4 sections A, B, C and D. For this section line, I made this sectional elevation using this UCS command. Section A towards north, section B towards south, section C towards west and section D towards east. I made this plan and set out my layout in layout paper space. Already I made a video for this, how to create a layout in paper space. I give a link in description box, you check out there. So now I fixed this layouts. Now we go to the model space. I want to make a wall section tiles in A section. My A section is above my plan, so it is very easy to make a correction in this section A. So it is very convenient to draw. See, now I draw my wall tiles here. See, it is very convenient. Now I finished. But in my C section, it is in west side. This side I made a wall section, tiles and all. No? It is very difficult for me because it is in west side. So I rotate my plane using UCS command. Otherwise, you rotate the plan or sections for this making corrections. If suppose you rotate your plan or section, it will disturb in your layout space. Now you see, I rotate my plan. Go to layout space. See, this plan is now in layout space. It will orientation will changed. So you don't disturb your plan or sections. You using UCS command. Now going to see how to use UCS command. Let's see. Now I want to make a wall tile in section C. If it is in north direction, it's convenient for me to draw. So I rotate my plane clockwise direction. Go to command, UCS, enter, Z-axis, enter. Now I gave Z-axis because XY plane's rotation is useful for 3D works. Z-axis refers the direction of the 2D drawings. So now we are working to 2D drawings. So I gave Z-axis. Now give enter, 90 degree, enter, plan, enter, enter. At the end, give double enter at the same time. Now you see my orientation changed to clockwise direction. See, plan and section C is changed its plane. After this changes, it will be easy for me to draw. See, now I draw wall tile in C section. Let's see how to, like that, change anti-clockwise direction using UCS command. Go to command UCS, enter z-axis, enter minus 180 degree. Anti-clockwise, so I give minus. Plan, enter, enter. See, now D section and plan changed accordingly to anti-clockwise direction. Now it's convenient for me to draw. The same as use the angle 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree for clockwise direction rotation and minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree for anti-clockwise rotation. Now let's see how to work in previous UCS planes. Go to command UCS, enter, P, enter. P means previous. Enter, plan, enter, enter. Now see, previous plane changed. See, previously I worked in C section on the above. That one changed. We changed our planes in our model space for our convenience to draw. Now we see if any changes happened on the layout space. Go to layout. See here, no changes happened in the layout paper space. Although my plane changed in model space, but in layout space, whatever I kept in before in the layout remains the same. Now go to model space. Finally, after completing your drawings using UCS plane rotation, if you have to see your plans and section in your original position plane, go to command UCS, enter, W, enter. W means world, WCS coordinate system. So I give W. Plan, enter, enter. Let's see the orientation of plan and sections back to our original position. This is the UCS command how to rotate the planes. Okay friends, I hope now you understand the UCS command how to apply in LT version of AutoCAD. Please try this command. If you have any doubt, please post it in my comment box. Thank you.